Got Mrs. Gearhead 704. She's gonna run the camera. What do you guys think? Could this win best paint over here? Uh-oh. Get to sign this?
I brought the Mistress.
So you brought the Mistress?
Yes.
Ah, I thought he said I brought my Mistress. Welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and we are continuing our series of Foxtoberfest videos. Tonight is actually the pre-meet night, and the reason why I'm talking really loud is there's some music going on right now, so I don't want that to drown out you guys. But yeah, we are here for the pre-meet. It is actually at the same location that Foxtoberfest is going to be at. We've actually got a really good turnout, lots of cars, lots of vendor booths, everything kind of all set up. So not sure what's exactly happening tonight other than bonfires, but hopefully I'm going to show you guys some cool rides. Got some dyno stuff up behind us, Power Curve. They dyno tuned my FoxBody. You guys probably saw that video. If you haven't, check it out. But anyway, yeah, tonight's just to hang out, a lot of fun, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. So let's go ahead and check this out. Here's the plan. I'm just going to film and talk and just be louder over the music. And if I talk to anybody or I'm meeting anybody, got Mrs. Gearhead 704. She's going to run the camera. So you might see more of me tonight, which hopefully, I don't know if you like or not, but that's what you're going to see. So do a good job, honey. So that was actually FoxBody Rob who expelled my car. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. He did an awesome job. But I reconnected with him because he left Sunstoppers. He's no longer affiliated with them. So luckily, I saw him here and reconnected, and might be seeing more of him soon. This is Alex. This is Adam here. He loves the video. You got a FoxBody?
Yeah, I do.
What year's yours?
Converted by 89. I parked beside you last year.
Yes!
With the blue top.
Yes! Dude, I remember.
And then when you left there, you painted, did a paint job, and
did you start following me then?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Wow! You've been around a long time. Dude, I had like 24 subscribers last year.
I'll follow you.
All right, appreciate it.
All right, no
Thank you.
problem.
Great talking to you. I remember last year too. That's funny. Oh, look. Harris has the Coney on here. Yeah. All right, I got to get that. Yeah, get that on there.
Finally tagged it up.
Nice. I like it. How you doing, buddy?
How are you?
Good. I saw you commenting on my videos. Wow.
Dude, man, it's cool. Hey.
Guys, I'm here with Tim, who I follow on Instagram. I'm going to put his Instagram right here, and I'm going to show you his car. But I had no idea he followed me, even though I followed your car forever.
Yes.
So he's going for best paint, and I think he might win. So we'll go check it out, guys. All right. So yeah, Tiff, it's this nice black one right here. No, it's not, is it? It's not, is it? You think you spot it? You think you spot it? Let's get her reaction. Let's get her reaction to the best paint. I think it could win best paint. I don't know, maybe. What do you guys think? Could this win best paint over here? I don't know. Maybe. Puts it clear. I like, yeah. So yeah, this is car, guys. It's kind of a thing of its own now, Tim. Right by these guys. Bowtie Killer 87. What do you think? Best paint? I don't know. I would vote for it. I would vote for it. I mean, it's my favorite from last year at the pre-meet. I said that. So.
Hey,
How you doing, Bradley? Uh-oh, it's G-Funk! It's G-Funk, oh my God! Hey, where's my cameraman here? Hold on, I have to get a proper hello to G-Funk Express. How you doing? This man came from Michigan, he's insane. And he rips good motors out of cars, like perfectly good motors. If you're not subscribed to him on YouTube, you definitely need to check him out because he knows how to take good motors out of cars, and I know how to blow up bad motors, I guess. Anyway, the guy that owns this car, this is the guy helping him, shows up on the channel sometimes, Bowtie Killer 87, he's over there, but yeah, I mean, like, you got to get right in here with G-Funk. Uh-oh. Get to sign this? All right, back to my cameraman.
Wherever you want.
Wherever. That's like right on the new panel. No, I'm not going to do that.
Anywhere on the inside you want to sign it, go ahead.
Right, inside.
More
Is he supposed to sign it Gearhead 704 or Matt?
Whatever he wants to do.
Hey, who's Matt? I don't know who that is. Hello.
Fisherman Bob.
Yeah. All right. I can go for the roof
Like
inside.
Caleb are.
Oh, okay. All right. Wait, I want to get away from them. Oh, yeah, I see it. Brutal's right there.
Brutal's right there.
Where's Caleb at?
On
Right
the
above
other
your
side.
head.
Okay.
There's Caleb and
You know what? I'm gonna go in the middle because I'm kind of like I'm not as good as either one of them. So I just kind of like middle of the road. That's what we'll do. We'll go right here. How do I spell gearhead? Just kidding. S-E-X-Y. All right, it's official. Let's see. The wife came through again. Thank you, honey. All right, so we got Brutal over there. Oh, he put the date. Brutal put the date. Foxcast did not. Foxcast is all official, man. But anyway, so I'm not this good. I'm not good enough to be on the right or the left, guys. I'm just middle of the road YouTuber. So there you go. All right. By the way, if you're not following him, check him out too.
Oh yeah.
So G-Folk, what'd you drive up here?
I'm an F-150.
Oh, all right. Well, I know neither one of your Fox bodies work like mine, so a couple of broke Fox bodies. Actually, that's all of us.
Yeah.
We're all broken. None of our Fox bodies are right.
Mine is him. Mine is him. He's like.
Okay. Anyway, I forgot about this. Thanks, Tim, for showing me your car. So, guys, I am selling a bunch of my old parts, old Fox body parts. You can see here. These are my original convertible parts before it was a Cobra clone. So I've had these parts for like since 2004. So I always wanted the GT, all original, but they're going to a better home. Bowtie Killer 87 is buying them from me, so take care of them.
Oh yeah, we will.
Nah, they're real good parts, but you know, I just go on Cobra clone. I don't need it, you know. They don't. So, but I do miss. My favorite part is actually the bumper, because I liked the. Are you going to go back to like a GT style bumper or no?
No, I have.
Okay.
I actually have a NOS Cobra grill insert.
Yeah.
I have an NOS Cobra rear bumper, tail lights. The only thing I'm missing is side skirts and the wing.
Okay.
I have a aftermarket wing.
So you are going Cobra clone too?
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm going Cobra R clone.
Cobra R. All right. Okay.
And I'm
Okay.
doing it with all NOS Ford parts.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, this is NOS. It's not new, but it's OS.
Close enough. It's William parts.
Yes, for sure, for sure. Well, awesome. Well, I'm glad to see that they're going to your channel. So very cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. How you doing? Good. LMS Racing 1. There it is. LMS Racing.
There you go.
You finally got to meet you. You've been supporting me forever, man.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, and I brought the Mistress. She made it
Yeah,
out.
yeah, I needed her to do something. So you brought the Mistress.
Yes.
Ah, I thought he said I brought my Mistress.
She's right there.
Oh, we got to check her out.
Right.
Is his mistress.
Yeah.
And I can't
So
find
you're,
him, he's with
are you
her.
Mrs.? Let's check her out. Let's check her out.
All right, bud.
So you've been working on this car for how long now?
It's been sitting for 3 years, parked for 2,
Okay.
and I just finished it Monday night.
Wow. Monday night. You finished it Monday night. You drive here.
Yep. Well, I didn't drive it down. I trailered it down.
Oh, did
it
you
only
trailer?
has
Okay.
35 miles on the film.
Okay. Well, yeah. You don't know what's gonna break, right?
There you go.
Oh, you actually got the badge.
This was originally the first car that I had bought. It was my first Mustang.
This is your first
This
Mustang.
is number 1.
Wow. I love the Cobra intakes. You know, I almost went with one. There you go. Thank you.
And this was actually a polished aluminum.
It's so clean. It's so clean. Oh my God, dude.
Yeah. Then the full wire tuck,
Yeah, that is nice.
both sides.
yellow FoxBody guy. It's yellow FoxBody guy.
What's up, man?
Hey, that's
Look,
what I want to see.
Got a new spoiler.
There we go.
Got a new spoiler.
Guys, he
on there.
custom made this. I had no idea. New spoiler, put the sling wing on. They don't make convertibles. I didn't know that. I watched his channel
It is hard to
and he made, did you bring
They
the
make
other
a
one?
93 convertible because I got one. at
Okay,
the
but
house.
not a 4-eye convertible.
Not a 4-eye convertible. Don't
So,
need one, so I cut the top
If
off.
anybody wants to mess with him here, you take that, but you're taking your life in your own hands.
That's right.
Good to see you,
See you
Willie.
tomorrow.
Push rod noises. Push rod noises. All right, guys, so I had an awesome time out here. Got to meet a lot of people that actually watch the channel who don't comment, which is really just surprising to me. Not that they don't comment, but that people are actually watching my videos. You know, it's a lot of times it's just like, I put it out there and you don't know. I mean, you see the view numbers, but you don't realize there's real people behind the screen sometimes. It's so awesome. You guys, my subscribers are the best. I have a ton of comments every time. I try to respond to every one because you guys give me a lot of good advice. I don't have very many bad comments. Even when I get them, it's fine because they watch the video and I try to be entertaining. So I know tonight was a little different. You know, couldn't do a whole lot with all the music and whatnot, but that's fine. Behind me is Peaches, which you guys should have seen on the channel before. Fox Mustang Restoration. This is their car. Matt, he has restored it, basically. Not completely restored it. He's fixed it up. That's a better way to say it. Anyway, it's gonna go for auction soon. It's a Georgia State Highway Patrol car, and it's going up for auction soon, so stay tuned to the channel when it does. But yeah, it's great car, and I figured I'd finish my video right here. Now it's nice and quiet. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.